Hello, Mr. Martino here for your favorite teacher. Today we're going to continue looking at fractions, and we're going to get fractions now of other numbers. Okay? So when we say fractions of other numbers, it's going to be some fraction of something else, and we have to calculate what that is. So let's say we need to get 3/4 of 12. If I say 3/4 of 12, one of the ways I can do it is I can first say, what would be 1/4 of 12? And if I think about it, it would be 12 divided by 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3, and that's 1/4. But I need 3 of those quarters. So it's 3 times 3 is 9. So I can say that 3/4 of 12 is equal to 9. I can do it in a slightly different way. I can say, let us multiply 12 by the numerator and then divide it by the denominator. In other words, 3 times 12 all divided by 4. 3 times 12 would be 36 divided by 4, and we get the answer is equal to 9. So I could have done it two different ways. I could have said numerator times the number all divided by 4, or I could have said divide the number by 4 and then multiply it by the numerator. In either case, we get the correct answer. So you try and get these answers, and we'll go through how to get them when you're finished. You should take about 3 to 4 minutes. So we can then now take a look at what those answers should be. So you should have got number 1, 2/3 of 6 is 4. In other words, 6 times the numerator, 2 is 12, divided by 3 is 4. Or you could have said 6 divided by 3 first is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. If you did the same thing with number 2, you'd get another answer of 4. 2 times 8 is 16, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. Number 3, we could have said 15 divided by 5, that is 3, and 3 times 2 is 6. Or we could have said, what is 2 15s? 2 15s are 30, and 30 divided by 5 is still equal to 6. So let's try another set. You can spend 4 to 5 minutes, and you can pause the video until you're ready. Okay, let's take a look at these answers now. So 2/3 of 24 is equal to 16. 24 times 2 is 48, and if I divide 48 by 3, I get 16. 3/4 of 32 is 24. The other way I could do it is I could say 32 divided by 4 is 8, and 8 times 3 is 24. I hope this was helpful. This is Mr. Martino for your favorite teacher.